I am Ricardo Chavarriaga from the Share and Brain Machine Interfaces from EPFL. I'm part of NCCR Robotics, and welcome to our lab. So here we work on understanding how the brain works and on decoding the brain activity to control devices such as this lower limb exoskeleton. While reading a lot of science fiction books and watching movies, that got me hooked on robotics and the idea of building robotics that can behave like those that I see in these movies or these books. So this really sprung my interest on how to make a machine that can behave just like humans do or like animals do, and do all this amazing stuff that they could do in these works. Well, while I was a kid, I was not that much into robotics, or more into computers, and say, okay, how to make things within the computer. And then it slowly moves more towards, okay, how can I make these things happen in the computer to happen in the real life? And that led me to robots. So during work with robotics, I think one of the most important things is passion, just to be driven to have something working and to say be inventive and find ways to overcome the different difficulties that you will find while trying to make these machines to work, and how to bring new things into the field to solve these problems. Cool thing about working in robotics is that we have to put together things from different fields, so you get acquainted with a bit of mechanics, a bit of the computer science, and how to make these two together, and that gets you exposed to a lot of different domains of knowledge. And I think this is a great thing to do, so that afterwards you can work on these different things and choose the one you like more. Well, I see myself just pursuing this kind of work in the future, taking these robots we are developing here closer to users that can take advantage of it, and in our case that involves people with motor disabilities, so that they can use these robots in their everyday life. So this is what I really hope to be doing more and more in the future. Well, I said at the beginning that one of the things that are important here is to have these passions. If I were to give an advice to someone, is just to keep this passion alive and just feed this passion with all the amazing things that are appearing in the field every day.